Greetings and a warm welcome to Green Man Wellness, where ancient remedies are brought to life. Winter can be a magical time of year with its crisp air, snowy landscapes and holiday cheer. But for many, the darker days and colder nights can bring on a sense of sadness or low energy. This phenomenon is often known as the winter blues, or for some, seasonal affective disorder, also called SAD. Today we're diving into ancient herbal traditions and remedies that have been used for centuries to lift spirits and combat the effects of the winter blues. Before we jump into the herbs, let's talk about the winter blues. Reduced sunlight can disrupt our internal clock and decrease serotonin levels, leading to feelings of sadness, fatigue, or even depression. Many ancient cultures recognized these seasonal shifts and turned to nature for help, using herbs and remedies to bring balance back to the mind and body. First up is St. John's wort, a flowering herb that has been used for thousands of years to treat low moods. Its bright yellow flowers were thought to capture the sun's energy, making it a powerful ally during the darker months. Studies show that St. John's wort can help increase serotonin levels, much like modern antidepressants. But it's important to remember that it interacts with many medications, so consult a healthcare provider before using it. You can take St. John's wort as a tea, tincture or capsule, whichever works best for you. Next, let's talk about saffron, often called the golden spice. This vibrant red stigma of the crocus flower has been used in traditional Persian and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to promote happiness and relaxation. Saffron contains compounds like crocin and saffronal, which are believed to improve mood by boosting serotonin. Just a small pinch in tea, milk, or even cooking can go a long way. And here's a fun fact. In ancient times, people would carry saffron sachets to sniff throughout the day for a quick pick-me-up. Our third herbal ally is holy basil, also known as tulsi. In Ayurvedic medicine, holy basil is considered a sacred herb and an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress. Its calming properties make it ideal for combating winter-induced anxiety or low energy. Tulsi tea has a naturally soothing aroma and taste, and it can also help improve sleep quality, something that's often disrupted during winter months. Pair it with a meditative moment to maximize its calming effects. While these herbs are powerful on their own, they work even better as part of a holistic winter wellness routine. Here are a few tips to pair with your herbal remedies. 1. Get outside for at least 20 minutes of daylight each day to boost your vitamin D levels. 2. Practice mindfulness or meditation to stay grounded. 3. Incorporate warming foods and spices like ginger and cinnamon into your diet. 4. Stay active. Even light exercise can improve mood. And of course, drink herbal teas daily to nourish your body and mind. To recap, St. John's wort can help brighten your mood. Saffron adds a golden touch of happiness, and holy basil provides calm and balance. These ancient remedies remind us that nature has always been here to support us, even during the darkest days of winter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wellness tips rooted in ancient wisdom. And let me know in the comments, what are your favorite herbal remedies for winter? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and here's to a brighter, warmer and happier winter season. Like and subscribe. Join the Wellness Tribe.